Hello everyone. Python lists, tuple, and set dictionaries. These are the new thing, and we need to practice them because we need to be used to with the syntaxes, right? So this is why I'm trying to practice again. So we know that list is created with a curly third bracket, right? Square bracket. So what we will do, we will try to write them. Okay, write them on our own. So this list equals we will spend some time here. Okay, no hurry. Apple, banana, orange. Okay, and print this list. Let's see. uh, so we have to take some time here because without spending time we can't learn. Okay, uh, okay, so if we want to know the length of this, okay, so we can put here like len, then this bracket, and then another bracket, right? uh, so spend some time, be used to with the syntaxes, guys. We need to at least practice few times because we have to write sometimes. List items, data types. List items can be of any data type: string, integer, and boolean data types. List 1 apple, banana, cherry. List 2 15793. List 3 true, false, false. So these are the three different types of data here, and then printing, right? So spend some time here as well. uh, List 1, list 2, list 3, right? So list 1 equals, let's say, apple, banana, cherry. List 2 equals 1, 2, 3, and then list 3. List 3 equals what it is, true, false, false, right? So true, false, false. Print 1, list 1, list 2, list 3, right? Okay, a list can contain different data types. Okay, list with strings, integers, and boolean values. So let's see. ABC 34 to 40 male, right? So print list 1. A list can contain different data types. Let's see type. We can know the type of this. So list constructor. Okay, so here we will do this list equals apple, banana, cherry, and uh, okay, what is the data type of a list? uh, what is the data type of a list? My list. Okay, the list constructor, it is also possible to use the list constructor when creating a new list. So okay, so let's try this. Access list items, Python access list items. Print the second item of the list. Okay, so this list, if apple, banana, cherry, print this list 1. Okay, print the second item of the list. This list apple, banana, cherry, print this list 1. So this list uh, apple, banana, cherry, and print this list 1, right? So here we will see okay, um, negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2. Okay, we can do negative indexing. So if we provide here -1, you will see cherry. -2 will give us banana, right? Range of indexes, you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Okay, so this list return the third, fourth, and fifth item. This list. Okay, if you take them apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, so let's say 0, 1, from 1 to 3. So if you want to print banana and cherry, so if you want 1 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, banana and cherry would be printed. This search will start at index 2, index 5 was included. Remember that the first item has index 0. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. This example returns the items from the beginning to but not including kiwi. Okay, this list apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. So print this list 4. So 1 to 4, 0, so 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So till orange it is going to be, it is going to print, right? বাবা ওদিকে হয়ে এসো। Okay, so example, this example returns to at the end. Range of negative indexes. This example returns item from orange to orange, but not including mango, -1, right? So let's see this one, -4, -1, right? So -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So We have to practice this, at least to become fluent in the in this syntaxes. Check if item exists to determine if a specified item is present in a list. Using use the in keyword. Check if apple is present in the list. This list equals apple, banana, cherry. If apple in this list, print yes, apple is in the fruit list, right? So this list apple, banana, cherry. If apple in this list, yes, apple is in the fruit list. So let's write it. Apple, banana, cherry. Uh, okay, what we're going to do, if apple in this list, print yes, say yes, apple is in the fruits list. But why it's written apple in this fruit list? Yes, apple. Change item value. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. Change the second item. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list 1, black currant. Print this list. Apple, black currant, cherry. This list 1, black currant. We are updating this one, right? So here, change the second item. Change item value. Uh, okay, this list apple, banana, cherry. This list 1, black currant. Black currant. Change the range of item values. To change the value of items within a specific range, define a list with the new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new values. Change the values banana and cherry with the values black currant and watermelon. So this list apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, mango. This list 1, 3, black currant, watermelon, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Banana and cherry will be replaced by black currant and watermelon. If you insert more than items, then you replace. The new items will be inserted where you specified, and the remaining items will be moved accordingly. Change the second value by replacing it with two new values. This list apple, banana, cherry. This list 1, 2, 0, 1. Right. So in this banana, we are providing black currant and watermelon. So print this list. Let's see. Apple, black currant and watermelon, and then cherry. Right. Change the second and third value by replacing it with one value. Apple, banana, cherry. This list 1, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So two values will be replaced by only one watermelon. Add list items, append items. To add an item to the end of the list, use append method. Using the append method to append an item, this list apple, banana, cherry. This list dot append orange. Print this list.